Most field service businesses don't fail because they lack work. They fail because they lose control of scheduling, communication, and job tracking. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, the right field service software can completely change how efficiently your business runs, especially if your team is constantly in the field. In this video, we're breaking down the best field service management software in 2026, what each one is best for, and how to choose the right one without wasting money. Let's start with the most well-known option, Jobber. Jobber is built for small to mid-sized service businesses like plumbing, HVAC, cleaning, and landscaping. A business owner like Alex can schedule jobs, dispatch technicians, send invoices, and track payments all in one place. Now here's where it gets interesting. Jobber is extremely easy to use, which makes it perfect for teams that don't want complex systems. But it can feel limited if you need advanced project control or large-scale operations. Next is Housecall Pro. Housecall Pro is designed for service businesses that want automation and customer communication. A technician like Jake can receive job updates, get routing assistance, and even collect payments on-site. But here's the problem. As your company grows, customization can feel restricted compared to more advanced platforms. Third is Service-a-Titan. Service-a-Titan is built for larger service companies. It handles dispatching, call booking, CRM, reporting, and marketing automation at a very deep level. This is where things get serious. Service-a-Titan is extremely powerful, but it is also expensive and can be overwhelming for small teams. Fourth is Workis. Workis is popular with mobile service businesses like locksmiths, garage door repair, and appliance services. A business owner like John can manage calls, dispatch jobs, and track technicians from a simple dashboard. It is lightweight, fast, and very mobile-friendly. But it may not have the depth needed for complex construction-style workflows. Now the fifth option is FieldPulse. FieldPulse is a flexible option for small and growing service businesses. It combines scheduling, key-on, estimates, and invoicing in one system. Now here's the key insight most people miss. The best software is not the most powerful one. It is the one your team actually uses every day without friction. So let's simplify this. If you want simplicity and quick setup, Jobber is a strong choice. If you want automation and customer communication, Housecall Pro stands out. If you run a large operation, Service-a-Titan dominates. If you need mobile-first speed, Workis works well. And if you want balanced flexibility, FieldPulse is a solid middle ground. The biggest mistake business owners make is choosing software based on features instead of daily workflow needs. That leads to wasted money and unused tools. So the takeaway is simple. Pick the software that matches how your technicians actually work in the field, not just how impressive the dashboard looks. If this helped you understand your options, like, comment, and subscribe for more software breakdowns and comparisons like this.